This is 2020 Honda CRV. I'm gonna replace rear brake pad. So you need the 19mm socket to open the tire. This is lug nut, and you have a special key. This one you should have in the back somewhere. This key to open this nut. And please put the jack and jack stand, please. Don't rely on only jack. Make sure you put the jack stand too. Open the tire. You see there's a parking brake assembly attached to this caliper. So we have to release the parking brake. You see now its roller is moving because it's parking brake not engaged. I'll show you what is the parking brake. So I go on the car, just press this 2 times. When you press this 2 times, you see this all the lights come out, but vehicle is not started yet. This is the parking. Here when I'm press, when I pull, you'll hear the noise. Look, I don't know if you can hear it or not. Now I engage. This is engaged. Now I engage the parking brake. Let me show you in the tire. See, the parking brake is engaged now. That's why you cannot move this roller. It's tight. So you have to release it, okay? Let me go back again to the car. Light, everything on. So I'm gonna release it. But you have to push the brake at the same time. When you press this to release, make sure you put the brake. If you don't put the brake, it's not gonna work. So now it's released. See this? Roller is moving now. So I can open this now. 12mm here and 12mm here. So after I open this, you see this piston is all the way down. So I have to push it inside. So there's a special tool for this. So I have to use special tools. Otherwise, you can use a channel lock, I think. You can try and tie it up like this. And at the same time, I have to push it from here. Push it and tie it up. Very important thing is make sure this motor is nobody will press from the inside the parking brake. If somebody press the parking brake by mistake, this whole piston is coming out. It's totally is coming out. The oil will be coming out too. So very careful. If it's happened there, you have to replace this whole caliper. Very expensive. So please be careful with that. Don't let anybody pull the parking brake. These are the tools I have. I think this is number 8 will be fit there. See, it is fit. Yes, this is the perfect. See, I attached this tool right here. Then I'm gonna tie it up. Just tie it up. See this piston moving. At the same time, I have to tie this too. See this? Take a little time. Just be patient. So I'm tightening this. At the same time, I'll rotate this piston. When you rotate like this, you'll go little by little. See this? It's moving. It takes time. See, that far it will go. so you have enough space to the brake pad goes inside. Now simply I'm gonna change these shims. They usually give you the new one. So I already put the brake pad, and simply just slide in this, push this, and right like this. There we go. Just tight this 12 millimeter bolts. So guys, thank you for watching.